Hi, welcome to 3.4. For me, this is like the 50th time, and I'm going to trip over my words. I apologize. All right. This section is about the brain and the spinal cord. It has 3 learning objectives: explain the functions of the spinal cord, identify the hemispheres and the lobes of the brain, and describe the brain imaging and scanning techniques. Let's start with the spinal cord. The spinal cord is a long tube-like structure that begins at the end of the brainstem and continues down almost to the bottom of the spine. Its main function is electrochemical communication. Electric currents travel up and down the spinal cord and across nerve endings, sending signals which allow different segments of the body to communicate with your brain. This is where I run into problems. Let's talk about the hemispheres and the lobes of the brain. The brain consists of 2 hemispheres, each controlling the opposite side of the body. Each hemisphere can be subdivided into different lobes: the frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, the temporal lobe, and the occipital lobe. In addition to the lobes of the cerebral cortex, the forebrain includes the thalamus. It's your sensory relay, and the limbic system that controls your emotion and memory circuit. The midbrain contains the reticular formation, which is important for sleep and arousal, as well as the substantia nigra and ventral tegmental area. These structures are important for movement, reward, and addictive processes. The hindbrain contains the structures of the brainstem, medulla, pons, and midbrain, which controls automatic functions like breathing, your heart pumping, your blood pressure. The hindbrain also contains the cerebellum, which helps coordinate movement and certain types of memory. Brain imaging. Individuals with brain damage have been studied extensively to provide information about the role of different areas of the brain, and recent advances in technology allow us to glean similar information from imaging brain structure and functions. These techniques include CT scans, PET scans, MRIs, fMRIs, and EEGs. The fMRI is not on the pictures, but that does conclude section 3.4.